Fundamental Bull. Today in this video we will go through a list of 10 stock which I have selected just for education purposes, how you can create your own portfolio, and I will teach you some basics about fundamental analysis. We will go through the list of 10 stock, but before we do that, let's go through a standard disclaimer. Please do your own research before investing. Our content is intended to be used and must be used for informational purpose only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. You should take independent financial advice from a professional in connection with or independently research and verify any information that you find in our video and wish to rely upon, whether for the purpose of making an investment decision or otherwise. We may own the stock presented in this video. We don't want to give you any investment advice. Our video is a financial data and news portal discussion forum and content aggregator. Fundamental Bull is not a broker, dealer, or we are not an investment advisor. We have no access to non-public information about publicly traded companies, and this is not a place for giving or receiving of financial advice concerning investment decision or tax or legal advice. We are not regulated by Financial Service Authority. We are an education forum for analyzing, learning, and discussing journal and generic information related to stocks, mutual fund metals, investment, and strategy. So with that, let's move to our first stock. Our first stock is called Central Depository Service Limited. It was founded in 1999 to fulfill one goal: convenient, dependable, and secure depository services. CDSL is a market infrastructure institution, a crucial part for capital market structure, providing services to all market participant exchanges, clearing corporations, depository participant, issuer, and investor. A depository is a facilitator for holding of securities in dematerialized form and an enabler for security transaction. At the moment, CDSL has 2 crore active demat accounts. The current price of the stock is 523 Indian rupees. Let's move to our next stock. Our next stock is called Delta Corp. Delta Corp Limited is the only listed company engaged in casino gaming industry in India. Delta Corp, along with their subsidiary, currently own and operate casinos in India, in the state of Goa, Sikkim, offering approximately 1800 gaming positions. In addition to that, they have also ventured into the fast-growing online gaming space through acquisition of Gauss Network Private Limited, which operates the online poker site adda52.com. Their early mover advantage has helped them to secure a leadership position with company holding 3 of the 6 offshore gaming licenses issued in Goa, 1 land-based casino in Goa and 1 in Sikkim, and 3 online gaming sites. The current price of the stock is 156.55 Indian rupees. This stock is maybe interested to you, but at least they have the monopoly to run casinos in India at the moment. Let's move to the next stock. Abbott India. Since 1910, Abbott has been dedicated to helping people in India live healthier lives through a diverse range of science-based nutrition product, diagnostic tool, branding, journeying pharmaceuticals, and diabetes and vascular devices. Headquartered in Mumbai, Abbott India Limited, a publicly listed company and a subsidiary of Abbott Laboratories, take pride in offering high-quality, trusted medicine in multiple therapeutic categories such as women health, gastrology, cardiology, metabolic disorders, and primary care. The current market price of this company, Abbott India, is 16,087 rupees 0.55 INR. Let's move to the other stock. Berger Paints. Berger Paints India is headquartered at Kolkata with 16 strategically located manufacturing units across India, including the subsidiaries, 2 in Nepal, 1 in Poland and Russia, and about 162 stock points. The company also has an international presence in 4 countries: Nepal, Bangladesh, Poland, and Russia. With employee strength of above 3,450 as of 31st March 2019, excluded the subsidiaries, the current wide distribution network of 25,000 dealers, Berger is acclaimed as a game changer in sector with vibrant portfolios of paints, tailor-made customer service in every paint segment. The current price of Berger paint is 677 rupees and 30 paisa in Indian rupees. Let's move to the next stock. Next next stock in our portfolio friend is Britannia Industries. As you might know that Indians are really excited about biscuits, uh, be it be any fast moving products, and their common household name in India is called Britannia. I would really recommend to invest in those stocks which you really understand. Please take your advice from your financial advisor, and just think of a day where you are spending a lot of time in the bus, or let's say in bank, or in say the car you use to go to your office or your workplace. Think example of these services or companies, and then take a decision. So for example, if you are using anything, for example, you are eating Britannia biscuits, then you might take a decision that, okay, if I can eat biscuits from this company, why not invest in this company? So please invest in that business you understand, not by taking somebody calls you, take this stock or that stock. Don't do that. Let's go into the Britannia industry. Britannia Industry is one of the India's leading food companies with 100 years legacy and annual revenues in excess of 9,000 crore. That's my friends a very good number. Britannia is among the most trusted food brands and manufacture India's favorites brand like Good Day, Tiger, NutriChoice, Milk Bikis, Marigold, which are household names in India. Britannia product portfolio includes biscuits, breads, cake, rusks, dairy products including cheese, beverages, milk and yogurt. Britannia is a brand which many generations of Indians have grown up with the brands are cherished and loved in India and the world over. Britannia products are available across country in close to 5 million retail outlets, reach over 50% of Indian homes. The current price of Britannia Industries is 3,735. Next stock in our list is called WABCO. WABCO water saga spans over 90 years, making it an industry leader today in the field of total water management. With presence in 4 continents, WABCO is pure play water technology multinational offering a wide range of solutions focused on conservation, optimization, recycling, reuse of resources directed at addressing water challenges across the world. With strong research and development and a passion for innovation, WABCO has honed his skills in handling EPC projects of any scale across any sector or region. WABCO has 3 dedicated R&D research centers in Switzerland, Australia, and India, and hold over 100 patents. The company key competence developed over 90 years of plant building expertise lie in turnkey execution and operation of water and wastewater treatment plants for both the municipal and industrial sector. WABCO has a successful track record of executing over 6,000 municipal and industrial projects globally with quality and commitment to timely delivery. The current price of the stocks, my friend, is 199.55 INR. Let's move to the next stock. The next stock in our list is called Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India is one of the leading public sector bank of the country. The bank is listed entity and the government of India holds 89.0% in the bank's total share capital. The bank has its headquarters at Mumbai and was registered on November 11, 1999 as a limited company. The current price of the stock is 33.20. Think of friends, because public sector banks, as you know, are beaten down stock, and since government holds such a large quantity in this bank, I don't say they will go down. At some point of the time, people will realize the undervalued dogs in the public sector bank, and this stock will surely rise. That's why you see here in our dummy portfolio. Next stock in our list is called ITC. ITC is one of the India's foremost private sector company with gross sales of 76,000 crore, net profit of 50,000 crore. ITC has diversified presence in FMCG, hotels, packaging, paperboard, specialty papers, and agribusiness. ITC's aspiration is to be exemplar in sustainability practice in manifest in its status as the only company in the world of its size and diversity to be carbon, water, and solid waste recycling positive. In addition, ITC business is and other chains create sustainable livelihood for more than 6 million people, a majority of whom represent poorest in the rural India. The current price of the stock is 216.30 INR. Let's move to our next stock. Next stock in our list is called REC. REC is Rural Electric Corporation of India. REC came into being in 1969 to articulate a response to the pressing exigency of nation. During the time of severe drought, the leader sought to reduce the dependency of agriculture on monsoon by energizing agriculture pump set for optimized irrigation. Thereafter, they have ventured into a newer path and expanded their horizon to emerge today as a leader in providing financial assistance to power sector in all segment, be generation, transmission, or distribution. The current market price of REC is 136.15 INR. Let's move to the other stock. The next stock in our portfolio is called Agrotech Foods Limited. It's a public listed company engaged in business for making food and food ingredients to consumer and institutional customers. We are listed both on National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. They have affiliated to Conagra Inc. of USA, which is one of the world's largest food companies. Their vision is to become the best performing, most respected food company in India. Their product offering correspond to mission of nurturing families and enriching life. The current price of this stock is 785.85. Okay, friends, that was our 10 stocks in the market, what we discussed today. So I have created a now summary slide for you, which depicts all these 10 stocks. And as we are starting with our first video, and this is our first video in the YouTube channel, so I have accommodated here the start price from today. And I have taken, for example, number of quantity as it corresponds to the starting price, or let's say the today's price. And if you see, my weightage on these stocks is equal at the moment, is approximately 10,000 rupees. So week by week we will do the analysis how this stocks behaves and what is the profit if we would have invested in these stocks. Just to give you a disclaimer, I may or may not hold this stock, and I have a liberty to sell this stock at any point of time. So please don't do any investment decision based on this advice. It's just for educational purposes only. So going forward, we will be doing this video every week. As you have joined, if you are watching this video, I would like you to just subscribe to our channel, keep waiting for the video, and press this red color bell icon.